Hello everyone. Once again welcome in Self-Transformation series of 20th of July 2020. Yes, my dear friends, today the topic which we have selected for our series is really simple. The topic which can be easily imbibed by us is that be a charitable soul who completely fills souls with all treasures. Yes, my dear friends, we all are charitable people or charitable energy or charitable being or charitable soul. Why? Because we have so much within us which we have to give in charity to others so that the life of others can also be changed and the life of others can also be in a different way. Dear friends, since we are in the process of self-transformation, so this transformation which is being done by me within myself is also a charity for others. If I am going to change a bit, naturally that thing, that feelings, that vibrations are going to reach to others. And these feelings and vibrations will definitely lead the others also to the path which is good for them. So since we are from the day one connected with this series and transforming ourselves on the thought level, we are actually charitable souls. The reason here is because from day one I am just changing myself, transforming myself, and my change is being reflected to others and they are also enjoying and experiencing that peace, that love and happiness and bliss which is been surrounded by me. So here comes how to go ahead. We have seen the kings or the great leaders, those who have full authority of giving donation and charity. And the more they give donation, the more they give charity, they have full power of authority. The people follow them. The people have blind faith on them. And the people blindly listen to them. So in the same way, we can also do it. As we are also a great donor. We are a charitable soul who have received the special authority directly from God. That since we are the child of that supreme energy or God, we can conquer on the matter as well as on Maya. See, my dear friends, since we are transforming ourselves, so we are fighting with whom? We are fighting with our old sanskar. We are fighting with this matter. We are fighting with the Maya. We are fighting with different roles of Maya. And when we are fighting, so by peacefully fighting, we are moving ahead, and in this way that is also a charity. On the basis of our pure thoughts, we can enable the soul. We can forge a relationship with the Supreme. And since the Supreme is with us, so that authority is with us, and so we can lead a life which is free from all the concept related to matter and Maya. My dear friends, whenever we do anything wrong, we are associated with our body consciousness feeling. We are either associated with matter, we are either associated with Maya roles. And since we are involved in these roles, so we are not able to do it. And so the differences arise. But how can we come out of all these problems? So we have to be like a king. A king which has full authority to give donation and charity. And what type of a charity and donation we have to give is of pure thoughts. Just pure, good thoughts, well-wishing thoughts, which enables the other soul to give them empowerment, to lead them to a next level. So we should celebrate this day that yes, I am a charitable soul of God. Yes, I celebrate this day. And this thinking of celebration also will lead you to a path on a right way where you can say or bid farewell to all the imperfection created by matter or Maya in front of you. So, my dear friends, the topic which we have selected is truly applicable for each one of us. That we are the charitable souls who have the right to give the charity to others by just giving good wishes. Be a well-wisher. Spread that goodness to others by just being connected to that energy. And we can easily do it since we are filled with continuous energy of that Supreme. So we can easily do it. So my dear friends, in this journey of self-transformation, just do a bit and see the change, that how gradually you will experience that peace, that love and everything very easily. So see you next time tomorrow with a new concept and a new topic. Till then, start giving like a king as a charity and enjoy your life.